Which essential oils do you never ever want to put into the bath? This is going to be the topic of today's video. Hello, this is Anna Laura Brown, essential oil educator and coach since 2011. And in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be talking with you all about putting essential oils into bath water. Some of the ones you just never want to put into the bath. It's just not a good idea. These are really hot oils. They can cause a lot of skin sensitivity or even burning. So you just want to steer clear of using these essential oils in the bath. And if you haven't seen my other video yet about the essential oils that you want to put into a bath, then I will link that one below and you can go ahead and check that video out after this one. So the first one is wintergreen. So wintergreen essential oil is a really good essential oil for helping to relieve like your occasional aches or discomfort, that kind of thing. However, it is a really hot oil, and so you really don't want to put it into bath water. And I know this is one that can be a little bit tempting because a lot of times you want to take that bath to help you relax and help get some of the tension out of the muscles and all that kind of thing. And you think, oh, wintergreen's a good one for discomfort. Why don't I put that in my bath? Well, it's just really not a good idea, and you can find some Epsom salt mixes and things out there on the market that may have some wintergreen in them, but it's probably a really small amount of wintergreen mixed in with some other essential oils. And so I would say just take a bath with some Epsom salts and one of the other essential oils that I mentioned in my other video, rather than using something like wintergreen. It's just a better idea. Then the same thing could be said about birch essential oil as well. Birch and wintergreen essential oil have similar chemical compounds. And so, again, this is going to be one that, while it's really good for your discomfort and your muscles and things like that, it's not going to be good for putting in the bath water because it is more of a hot oil. Then the next one, and this is cassia, and this is one, it's similar chemically to cinnamon, but comes from a little bit of a different plant. It comes from the leaves. And cinnamon and cassia both are going to be super hot essential oils, and these are ones that are never ever in the bath, no matter what. Even with Epsom salts, diluted, nothing. You never ever want to put these in the bath. And you can actually even burn yourself like with an essential oil of cassia. So kind of just a funny story, this isn't related to bath, but the first time I got this oil, I thought it smelled so great like cinnamon and everything, I thought I could mix it with like a plain lotion and rub it on my legs and arms and things, and thought that that would be okay. It would be like a carrier oil type thing and it would be okay. And I tried it and I actually burned myself and had red marks all over myself for almost a month. So just don't do it. This is one of those essential oils you have to use very small amount with an actual carrier oil, and typically I do on the bottoms of my feet, which are more porous, or I will put this like in a smoothie or capsule and take it internally. But you just really got to be careful with cinnamon and cassia. Then the next category of essential oils you have are things like oregano or thyme essential oil, which are really good for, like helping you when you're starting to come down with a little bit of that scratch in the throat or a little bit of that ugh. But you really do not ever want to put hot oils like oregano, clove, thyme, those kind of things into your bath water. It's just like cinnamon and cassia. They're just going to burn you, and there's really no point in it anyway, because the therapeutic benefits of these oils are really best either internally or like on the bottoms of your feet with a lot of carrier oil, really well diluted. Okay, and the next one would be blends like On Guard that contain cinnamon, and then also have some more mild things, like this one has orange and rosemary and eucalyptus, which you could put in the bath water. But On Guard, I would say, is one that you could potentially make like a bath bomb or a steamer, where you use, a bunch of, the effects of it are minimized because you're combining it with like some salts or lotions, things like that. It could be okay. But even then, you got to be really careful, because On Guard in general is still a pretty hot oil. So those are the essential oils that I would not put into the bath. And like I said before, if you'd like to learn about the ones that you may want to put in the bath, I would watch the separate video that I will include linked below if you haven't seen that one already. Please feel free to give this video a like, subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, or follow me if you're watching anywhere else. And if you would like to have a further conversation with me or have other questions, please feel free to get in touch or comment below. Thank you.